To set assistive touch single tap action as background sounds in iPhone 14 Pro, open settings, tap settings icon, and then scroll down settings screen, find accessibility. Next, tap accessibility, and then select touch, tap assistive touch, and then on custom actions, select single tap. Scroll down the screen, find background sound, and then select background sounds. Next, tap back button to save. Now, assistive touch single tap action set as background sounds. And then to turn on or turn off assistive touch, tap assistive touch switch under green to turn on or touch switch under gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.